Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my channel for the analysis of other pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD in front of us right now. As you can see here that Euro USD is still trading in a narrow downward channel that I just discussed yesterday. Right now we can see that there is not much movement going on in the chart of Euro USD, because if I zoom in, then you can clearly see that market is kind of flat here. Okay, there is not much movement going on, or in simple words, the volatility is missing. We have a divergence here. Okay, we have a bullish divergence here. Okay. But still market does not have the required strength to go up. And this is the main reason I tell you to follow the trend of the market. Because see, market is almost lying at the support here. We have one bullish divergence, but still market is not going up, which clearly signifies that bulls are there in the market, but they do not have the strength, or sellers are much powerful in comparison to the buyers. Because if we look at the overall chart of Euro USD, then there is no doubt that this market is under the dominance of sellers. This is a bearish market, or this is a sellers market, which means that number of sellers are much higher in comparison to number of buyers. As a result, buyers will be facing trouble, or buyers will be having trouble to take the price up. Right now we are having the same problem. Buyers do not have the capacity to take the price upward. Though market is standing at the support, though we have a bullish divergence, but still market cannot go up because it does not have the required strength. Therefore, in a market condition like this, the best trading opportunity is always short the market at the resistance. Because if we follow the thumb rule of the market says follow the trend. The trend is towards the downside. Therefore, no question of buy. Considering the trend of the market, we should only look for shorting opportunities. And as I have already said in my hundreds of videos, that before executing any order, we need to find the area of value. Area of value is nothing but the best trading opportunity. In the uptrend market, the area of value or the best buying opportunity is always near the support, whereas area of value in a downtrend market is always near the resistance. And in this market of Euro USD, in this chart of Euro USD, the only safe shorting opportunity is at this trend line. If you do not have these trend lines drawn in your charting platform, then I'll request you to draw these lines so that you can understand the chart better, so that you can understand the market better. And once you draw these lines on your platform, then you can clearly understand that this level or these two lines are acting as a support and resistance for the market. Okay, and you need to wait for the market to hit this level, resistance level, and when it will be coming down or reverse from the resistance, that will be the first trading opportunity in this market. Because you have already seen market is at support, market did bounce from the support, but it does not have the strength to go up. See, if I zoom in, then you can see that there was some price rejection from below, which means that buyers are present in the market. Okay, my dear friends, try to understand the market psychology here. There was price rejection from the support, which means buyers are sitting at the price level. They are at the support level, but still they do not have the strength to take the price upward. As a result, you should not buy. And I clearly mentioned on my yesterday's video also that you should mainly look for shorting opportunity only, because this is a seller's market. Therefore, your first trading opportunity is short the market at this trend line if it reverses. Clear? And the second trading opportunity in this chart is that is this line, this level, sorry, 1.1712. You can see that I have got one more line here, and this line is 1.1712. If you have watched my previous videos, then you know it pretty well that I am a fan of multi-time frame analysis. Especially I am a fan of the weekly time frame, because the weekly time frame is the time frame of the big boys, the big players. So in the weekly time frame, okay, in the weekly time frame we can see that market is coming down. There is no doubt about it. Okay, but we have a support on the weekly chart, and this support level is important because previously in the month of March, when market was facing the same selling pressure, this was the level that provided support to the market, and hopefully market will be getting the same amount of support from this level. Therefore, though this market is in downtrend, sorry, though this market is in downtrend, and though the market is under the dominance of sellers, but one thing is clear to us, that market has got buyers at this price level. Therefore we just need to short the market until and unless market is trading in this range. But if you find market taking support in this level, and if you see some price rejection from below, or if you see market bouncing from here, then my dear friend, you can go for a buy order here. But do not go for a buy order right now, because if you look at the Forex sentiment meter here, okay, you'll find the Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. If you look at the Forex sentiment meter here, then you can see that 65% traders have taken long position and 34% traders have taken short position. See, market has not reached the weekly support yet. Market is still traveling. Market is still trading in the downward channel. And retail traders have already taken long position and they are in loss right now. Therefore, my dear friends, do not trade blindly. Take proper trades, analyze the trade, and listen to me. Do not take long position right now. Please just wait for the market to come down to the weekly support. If it bounces from there, then only take the buy position. Otherwise, no buy position in this chart, please. And if you look at the Forex volatility calculator also, then you can see that there is not much volatility in the market here. In the 15 minute charts, there is only volatility of 4.3 pips. In the 1 hour chart, there is only a movement of 8 pips, and in the daily chart, there is only a movement of 46 pip. So the chart of Euro USD does not have the volatility also. Therefore, my dear friend, wait for some time, wait for the market to come down to the support level. If it bounces from there, that will be the golden spot to buy. Otherwise, if you want to skip Euro USD, till then you can skip Euro USD, because there are other pairs with good amount of volatility. If you look at the Forex heat map also, you can see that there is volatility or good movement going on in the New Zealand pair, in the Australian dollar, US dollar, in the USD JPY also there is good movement going on. But if you look at the Euro USD here, you can see that the color of the box is very light, which means that the volatility, the heat is not there in the market. Therefore, Euro USD is not in a good position right now to trade. Therefore, if you ask me, Abhilash, what should I do? I'll simply tell you that avoid Euro USD. Okay, avoid Euro USD until and unless it comes down to the support level and bounces, or if it reverses from here, then only it's a good opportunity. Otherwise, right now for me, Euro USD is in no trading zone. So please avoid Euro USD if it is if it trades like this. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All of us, take care. See you tomorrow.